Pwede ba makasama sa katawan ang sobrang exercise? Pwede.
It's true that you can get kidney disease because of excessive exercise.
Unang healthy habit, exercise.
It's true that you can get kidney disease because of excessive exercise, especially if you don't do the exercises gradually. Kunyari, sedentary ka naman, bigla ka nagmarathon, ganyan. You can actually push your kidneys to failure. It can cause kidney injury. When you get kidney injury because of excessive exercise, that would actually fall under acute kidney disease. It's just acute, temporary, or transient elevation in your creatinine that can lead to injury, but it is reversible.
Pangalawang healthy habit, drinking workout supplements.
The intake of whey protein, the ones you use for workout, like creatine, sometimes the steroids or anabolic steroids, this can actually lead to kidney damage.
Ayon kay Dr. Aina, may mga individual na predisposed sa kidney issues dahil sa family history o iba pang factors. Kaya't mahalaga ang tamang gabay sa mga supplements. Paalala ng mga doktor, hindi porke okay sa isang tao, ay pwede na tong i-take ng kahit sino man. Pangatlong healthy habit, taking herbal supplements.
If your kidneys are normal or they function adequately, wala namang masama dun sa herbal supplements eh. Now, we get problems once the patients have comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, and then kidney disease. More often than not, they're on more than 2 medications already. And then you add the herbal supplements. What's difficult is we cannot predict the interaction of your herbal supplements with your maintenance medications and with the clearance that your kidneys do. Minsan na-overwhelm yung kidneys natin kasi ang dami na pala niyang kailangang linisan. Which is why, generally, if you have CKD or if you have kidney problems, we try to avoid the herbal supplements as much as possible.
Actually, testing for kidney disease is surprisingly easy. It can be done with 2 simple inexpensive tests, which include a urinalysis and a serum creatinine determination.
Sa tulong ng mga basic screening tulad ng urinalysis at serum creatinine test, matutulungan kang makita kung may nag-uumpisang problema sa kidneys mo. Kapag na-detect ito ng maaga, mas mataas ang chance na maagapan at maiwasan ang paglala nito at maging irreversible case tulad ng chronic kidney disease. Sa Capital Medical Center, handa ang aming nephrologist na tulungan kang alamin ang iyong kidney health. Alagaan ng kidneys. Don't wait. Magpa-check na today.